If you want a home that you can feel proud of, clean, fresh, and comfortable, you're in the right place. I'm Mark Gellner. I'm the owner of Stanley Steemer of Nashville. For over 44 years, we've been committed to serving the communities we call home. And we have built this business for one reason: to help families feel confident and comfortable in their homes. We believe people deserve honest answers, real care, and work done the right way every single time. If it's not something we do in our own home or businesses, we won't recommend it, period.
This company has always been about people, the people we serve and the people who show up every day to do the work. We don't just work here, we care about our community. That leads to a peace of mind and gives you the confidence that you're making the right decisions.
At the end of the day, it's not just about clean floors or restored spaces. It's about understanding what actually is needed and what isn't before any work begins.
If you want honest answers and a team that treats your space with real respect,
You're in the right place.